Hello, Daddy.
Can we shut that light off? Oh, can't hardly see you now. Ooh. Don't do that.
Yeah. For what?
Yeah, I know. Do you have anything to tell Daddy?
This is Denny's. This Denny's camera.
No, this is Mommy and Daddy's camera.
Mommy's Daddy's camera. To help me.
Do you have anything to tell Daddy?
I should help.
Please don't play with that.
Alright. My bullets. Oh, my bullets. See? There's all cream out. See?
Yep. Go ahead. You fix your skis.
Are those skis? It looks like a snowboard.
Show Mommy how you ski. Want me to help you? Oh no. Here.
What are you getting? Some more of your equipment?
You get snow.
Oh, did you put your boots on? Did you put your ski boots on? That's a good idea. There you go.
My foot. Oh no, it's on my toes. My toes. My toes. My toes. Yeah, on my toes.
Here are your toes.
My ski.
Okay, get in your position. Get ready to ski. Get your poles. Get your ski poles.
Ski poles. Ski poles.
Get your ski poles. Okay. All right. Good. There you go. Now go over and ski. You get your ski poles. That's important.
Ski poles.
Yep, that's perfect.
Ski poles. Look. Ski poles.
Ski poles, and you're on your skis. Go ahead, ski.
Ski poles. My ski holes. My ski holes. My ski holes.
There's holes in your ski.
My hand.
Careful.
Just sit, please. Just sit, please.
Sit, please. Thank you.
Just sit, please.
Thank you.
Oh, they're slippery. Are they slippery?
Just sit.
Oh, okay. Say goodnight. Good night.
Night night.
I love you. Ready? Sleep.